How long do stargazer lilies take to sprout? Stargazer lilies produce 6 to 8-inch blooms and a delightful fragrance. The blossoms are red with a white border. Stargazers are one of the most expensive flowers that florists sell, according to the Iowa State University Extension. Geography. Stargazer lilies grow in a variety of climates in USDA plant hardiness zones 4-9. They need full sun and well-drained soil. Planting the bulbs. Buy from a plant nursery that has cold-treated the stargazer bulbs, which increases the likelihood of the plant blooming during the first summer. Plant the bulbs immediately and at least 8 inches apart. If you buy frozen bulbs, thaw them before planting. Sprouting. Several factors determine when the bulbs will sprout, such as the density of surrounding bulbs, amount of sunlight, temperatures and planting time. These particular bulbs never go dormant, so they'll begin to sprout roots when you plant them. It takes up to 3 weeks for the plant to sprout through the ground. Fun fact: stargazer lilies make excellent cut flowers. Remove the anthers, which contain the pollen, and the flowers will live longer in a vase.